We are in the beginning of 2023 and there is no better time in the year to look for new ideas. So, in this video, we will give you our 5 best ideas for this year. So, let's start. Number 5. Intel. Intel is a US semiconductor. They design and manufacture their chips. They've been trading lower during 2022. They are in a earnings recession already, as all the semiconductors. Intel is really undervalued. We think it's a deep value stock, and in a conservative analysis, they are really undervalued. And we are betting on their recovery. They can recover growth. They are investing a lot. They are building a new fab. They are investing in their chips, and we have the US Chips Act. They are trying to increase the production in the US. Besides that, Intel has a 5% dividend yield, which is a really juicy dividend. So, in our opinion, their intrinsic value is around $35, considering their revenues are going down and they have a period where they will try to increase it, and maybe in the future they will start growing again, and that's what we are counting on. And even that, they are still undervalued. In our opinion, they are 20% undervalued. So, number 4, small caps. We think small caps have been beaten up in the last year. They've been down a lot during the 2022 year. So we believe we can find good opportunities. For example, Domo and Pomatic. Domo is a data company which explore data. They help the companies to be more profitable. It's a good company. And Pomatic, it is in the sector of programmable app advertising, and the Pomatic is already profit. They have good margins, but they have been beaten down because they are in the advertising sector. We believe there is 2 good companies that are really undervalued. This is 2 examples of 2 stocks we follow on our research, and we like it. Full disclosure, we own both of them. Still a small position, but definitely this is 2 stocks that we will look into it this year, and maybe we will increase our positions on that. Number 3, big tech. Inside big tech, the 2 companies we believe that give us the best opportunity to have a good investment is Google, Alphabet, and Amazon. We already have 2 videos talking about them, so I will not extend. We believe they are undervalued. I think we might get another entry part in this year, 2023, and we will love to increase our positions on both of these companies, and maybe around the 80s, even lower. We will be taking an eye on that. So, in number 2 of our best ideas is Chinese stocks. We like Alibaba, JD, and Tencent. China has started to boost their economy. They have low inflation, and they are ahead in this economic cycle. While the US, Europe are still fighting their inflation, they are already ahead. They are trying to boost their economy, so maybe it's a good opportunity to still invest in Chinese stocks. We believe in China. 2022 was a huge opportunity for these stocks. They might already hit their bottom, but even after this huge recovery, they are still undervalued on a conservative analysis. We believe even assume a low growth, a low PE, Alibaba, JD, Tencent are still really undervalued. In our opinion, they are around 20-15% still overvalued in a beaten down analysis. So maybe we can still find some good investment there, we will leave it. They are in a positive trend. China is reopening and they have a strong upside. So Chinese stocks is already a huge position on our portfolio. Maybe we should start trimming. I don't know. I'm still thinking about that, but I really believe on them. They are still undervalued. So, and for our top one ideas for this year, we have STONECO. STONECO is a Brazilian technological company. They operate in the financial sector. Um, Brazilian stocks never been so undervalued in their history. Um, we might find some opportunities, and STONECO is my favorite companies on Brazil. So it's a Buffett company. Berkshire bought this stock around $20 on the IPO on 2020, I think. They hit an all-time high of $92 in February of 2021 and the all-time low on May 2021 at close to $7. Stone is the most undervalued stock that we follow, in our opinion. They are a growth stock. They are not still profitable. Sometimes they have been profitable in the 2021. In 2021, I think, maybe I'm wrong. Let's check, but they can find profitable really easy. Their revenue growth 100% in this last year, 2022, which is really awesome for the year. We have made a discounted cash flow for this stock, a conservative one, and still, even when we increase our discount rate above what you usually expect, I'm expecting 15-17% return over the years. We still come with an intrinsic value of 15.5. They are trading around almost $10, which means they are trading at almost 40% discount, in our opinion. So maybe it's we can make a bull case for this stock. I really love it, I own it, and if it continues to go down or trading around this price, I might add it during this year. So this was our top 5 ideas for the 2023 year. I hope you like it and you find it useful. That's our opinion. You have to do your due diligence. Maybe you can find a good idea on this video, and that's the purpose of this video. So if you like it, subscribe please.